Does digital marketing today quench the thirst for innovation? Does it satiate the ever-increasing demand for engaging content? In a world where consumer attention spans are as fleeting as a Snapchat story, the answer is a resounding no. Enter the game-changing solution: T-Rex QR, animated AI QR codes, the new frontier in interactive marketing. T-Rex QR, animated AI QR codes have created quite a stir in the marketing realm. This is not your average QR code. It's a blend of artificial intelligence and animation, taking the traditional QR code and propelling it into a new dimension. As a curious observer, the exploration of this cutting-edge technology has been nothing short of fascinating. At the heart of T-Rex QR is a simple yet ingenious idea: turning static QR codes into animated, interactive experiences. But it doesn't stop there. The real magic lies in the intelligent use of AI algorithms to personalize these experiences, ensuring optimal user engagement. From generating leads to telling brand stories, T-Rex QR offers a suite of services designed to meet a wide range of marketing goals. The beauty of T-Rex QR lies in its adaptability. Whether it's a print ad, product packaging, or a digital banner, these animated QR codes act as portals to enticing brand experiences. By simply scanning a code, consumers are drawn into interactive narratives, product demos, and exclusive deals, establishing deeper ties between brands and their audience. But T-Rex QR doesn't just rest on its laurels. It takes a data-driven approach, using AI to study user behavior and fine-tune marketing campaigns in real time. This gives businesses a wealth of insights into consumer preferences, allowing for more targeted messaging and improved return on investment. T-Rex QR symbolizes a seismic shift in marketing thinking. In an age where consumers are bombarded with information, static ads barely make a dent. By bringing QR codes to life with vibrant content, T-Rex QR breaks through the noise, delivering an engaging, interactive experience that leaves a lasting mark. Of course, like any new technology, T-Rex QR faces its share of hurdles. Factors like consumer familiarity with QR codes and accessibility issues could slow down its widespread adoption. Plus, seamlessly blending AI and animation is no small feat. It calls for a concerted effort from marketers, designers, and developers. In wrapping up, T-Rex QR, animated AI QR codes are a bold leap towards the future of interactive marketing. By leveraging AI and animation, it enables brands to connect with consumers on a deeper level, sparking engagement and nurturing brand loyalty. While challenges remain, the potential for innovation and impact is too great to ignore. As businesses steer their way through the constantly changing digital landscape, T-Rex QR stands ready to guide them towards a more immersive, personalized future.